A very warmest welcome to everyone in my new video. Today we are going to talking about the BHU question paper series 2018. The question number 1. The cheaper material added to food items for more profit are called adulterants. This is the answer. Question number 2. The organism who can synthesize their own food are termed as answer autotrophics. Question number 3. The organism obtained their nutrients from dead and decaying organic material are known as answer saprophytic. Question number 4. Relationship between EMC and RH for biological material has been given by answer Henderson. Question number 5. If the moisture content of a food product on weight basis is 50.76%, its moisture content on dry basis will be answer 103.09%. Question number 6. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of milk by 1 degree centigrade in comparison to water is answer 93%. Question number 7. Consider a spherical object having a volume of 1000 cc. The object is broken down into smaller particles of about 1 mm size. The storage requirement for the comminuted material in cc will be about. The right answer for this question is option A, 1000 cc. In my question series of 2017 I am marking the answer is 1400 cc, so this will be incorrect and the right answer is 1000 cc. Okay. Now, question number 8. A dimensionless ratio of convective heat transfer to conduction heat transfer within a solid known as Biot number. Okay. But Biot number is not the correct answer. Okay. Prandtl number is the correct answer. Okay. Now, question number 9. Particle density of an agricultural produce is 1.95 gram per cc. The porosity of bulk is 36%. The bulk density of the produce is 1.25. Now, question number 10. Air at 40 degree centigrade and 50% RH has a wet bulb depression of 10 degree centigrade. If the relative humidity decrease to 40%, the wet bulb depression will answer increase. Question number 11. Decimal reduction time in microbial destruction is inversely proportional to answer Z value. Question number 12. Which among the following is present more in cow milk as compared to buffalo milk? Answer carotene. Question number 13. As pressure is reduced, the latent heat value? Answer none of these. Question number 14. The energy required in grinding large solid particles is inversely proportional to function of. The right answer is diameter. Okay. The option D is not correct. Shape. Okay. The right answer is diameter. I am again repeating the answer diameter. Question number 15. Essential oil obtained from tulsi is called answer oil of basil. Question number 16. For drying fruits and vegetables are sliced for increasing answer surface area. Question number 17. Yogurt contain useful answer bacteria. Question number 18. Redness in apple is due to answer anthocyanin. Question number 19. Wax coating treatment enhance the shelf life of fruit because it blocks answer transpiration. Question number 20. The yellow color in onion is due to pigment answer. The yellow color of onion is due to the pigment, it is due to the quercetin. Okay, anthocyanin is not the correct answer, so option B is the correct answer. Question number 21. Which one of the following is ethylene absorbent? KMNO4. Okay. Question number 22. Fruit which show a rise in respiration rate during the ripening process are called answer climacteric. Question number 23. The yellow pigment in papaya fruit is answer carotene. Question number 24. Question number 24. Fruit stored in cold chamber exhibit longer life because answer the rate of respiration decrease. Question number 25. Pungency in chili is due to presence of answer capsaicin. Question number 26. Which of the following fruit contain the highest amount of ascorbic acid? Answer Indian gooseberry. Question number 27. Which one of the following is the richest source of vitamin A? Answer ripe papaya fruit, but it is not the correct answer, I think so. So ripe mango fruit is the correct answer for question number 27. Question number 28. The plant growth hormone which help in enlarging the grape berries is answer gibberellic acid. Question number 29. Which of the following is commonly used as preservative in the preparation of tomato ketchup? Answer B. Sodium benzoate. Question number 30. Which one of the following is a method of long-term preservation of fruit and vegetable? Answer: drying. Question number 31. Yellow colored fruit and vegetable are rich source of vitamin A. Question number 32. Refractometer is used to determine. Answer: total soluble solid, TSS. Question number 33. CFTRI located at. Answer: Mysore. Question number 34. The edible part of pomegranate is. Answer: aril. Question number 35. Which of the following is the richest source of iron? Okay, so in my point of view, the parsley is not the correct answer. According to me, go with spinach. Okay, the option B is correct answer. Okay, now question number 36. An ideal fruit for making jelly should be rich in pectin and acids. Okay, now question number 37. A cyclone separator is used for separating. Answer: liquid droplet from gases. Question number 38. In single effect evaporator, the economy is. Answer: less than 1. Question number 39. The most commonly used fumigant for storage of cereals is. Answer: ethylene dibromide. Question number 40. Extraction of soluble constituent from a solid by mean of solvent is known as. Answer: leaching. Question number 41. Addition of salt to ice will. Answer: decrease the temperature of the mixture. Question number 42. The first law of thermodynamics is a special case of. Answer: law of conservation of energy. Question number 43. Pascal is a unit of. Answer: pressure. Question number 44. A pyrometer is used to measure. Answer: temperature. Question number 45. 1 ton of refrigeration is equivalent to. Answer: 55.4 kcal per minute. Question number 46. The boiling point of milk in degree Celsius is. The right answer is option B. Okay, 110.17 degrees centigrade. Okay, the 100 the option D is not correct answer. So now question number 47. Dielectric constant of a food material depends upon both temperature and moisture content. Okay, but moisture content is the right option. Option B. Go with option B. Okay, so now question number 48. A boy has 240 grams of water at 50 degrees centigrade. The number of gram of ice at 0 degrees centigrade which he must add to water to lower the water temperature to 40 degrees centigrade is. Option B is correct, 150. Now question number 49. Which one of the following is deficient in milk? So iron is deficient in milk. Question number 50. Headquarter of Food and Agricultural Organization is located at. Answer: Rome. Question number 51. Question number 51. The anti-sterility vitamin is. Answer: vitamin E. Question number 52. Which of the following sugar is sweetest? Answer: fructose. Question number 53. Zero energy cool chamber operate on the principle of. Answer: evaporative cooling. Question number 54. Which one of the following fruit grown in semi-wild form is wasteland of peninsular India is one of the largest foreign exchange earner? Answer: cashew. Question number 55. Site of protein synthesis in a cell is. Answer: ribosome. Question number 56. Who discovered the X-ray first? He is Roentgen. Question number 57. Aflatoxin are produced by molds. Question number 58. Pungency in onion is due to the presence of allyl propyl disulfide. Question number 59. Which of the following is not a bioinsecticide or pesticide? The right answer is carbaryl. Now the question number is 60. Which of the following is a phenolic factor present in onion having antifungal property? The right answer is quercetin. Now the question number 61. Major pest of potato during storage is potato tuber moth. Now question number 62. Which vitamin is called coagulating vitamin? It is vitamin K. Now question number 63. The pest which attack the pulses both in field and storage. It is pulse beetle. Now question number 64. Which of the following cannot synthesize protein by own enzyme? It is virus. Question number 65. Mad cow disease is caused by prion. Now question number 66. Which one of the following cannot be detected by ELISA technique? The fungus is not the right answer, I think so. So the viroid. Option C. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. So now question number 67. The strongest bond is. Answer B. Covalent bond. In some cases ionic bond is also a strongest bond, so in my point of view go with ionic bond. Option A is the most correct answer for question number 67. Now question number 68, latent heat of fusion ice to water is answer 80 calorie. Question number 69, which of the following is deficient in rice grain? The right answer is lysine. Okay, now question number 70, wavelength of visible light is option C 390 to 700 nm. Now question number 71, most dangerous gas for depletion of ozone layer is answer chlorofluorocarbon CFC. Question number 72, among the following which has antioxidant property? The right answer is tocopherol. Now question number 73, the end product of glycolysis is it is pyruvic acid. Question number 74, Krebs cycle produces theoretical yield of 32 adenosine triphosphate. So the option C is correct. Question number 75, cellulose is a polymer of answer beta D glucose. Question number 76, greenhouse gases for global warming is CH4 and CO2 is also a right answer. Okay, so go with CO2. Now question number 77, unit of pressure in SI system is it is Pascal. Question number 78, coconut fat is a rich source of answer lauric acid. Question number 79, temperature of LT pasteurization of milk is 61 to 63 degrees centigrade. Question number 80, rickets is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Egg cell is made up of, the right answer is CaCO3. Question number 82, quality of egg can be judged by candling. Question number 83, yellow color of egg is due to, the right answer is xanthophyll. Question number 84, hormone required for milk secretion is, the right answer is prolactin. Question number 85, crude fiber content in roughage is approximately, and the right answer is 18 to 20%. Question number 86, enzyme coagulated milk product is, the right answer is cheese. Question number 87, pH of fresh buffalo milk is 6.7 to 6.8. Question number 88, which of the following vitamin remain most resistant on heat treatment of milk? The right answer is vitamin B12. Question number 89, estrogen, progesterone and relaxin hormone are secreted from answer ovary. Okay, now question number 90, hormone secreted from pancreas that lower down blood sugar level is, the right answer is insulin. Question number 91, out of the total body calcium bone and teeth have 99%. Question number 92, which one of the following is not a bacterial disease? The right answer is Rinderpest. Now the question number is 93, surface adherence of gas, liquid or solid onto a solid is known as, the right answer is adsorption. Question number 94, water loss from a cooled gel due to excessive retrogression is called, the right answer is synersis. Question number 95, which of the following is a starch hydrolysis derivatives that may be used to stimulate fat in emulsion? The right answer is amylose. Question number 96, non-enzymatic browning reaction involving or reducing sugar and a free amino acid on a protein is known as, the right answer is Maillard reaction. Question number 97, food processing method that convert ice to vapor without going through the liquid phase is called freeze drying. Question number 98, the ratio of partial vapor pressure of water in a solution to the vapor pressure of pure water is, the right answer is water activity. Question number 99, resistance to flow of a liquid when shear force is applied is called, the right answer is viscosity. Question number 100, a high molecular weight methylated galacturonic acid polymer which is insoluble in water and found in immature fruit is, the right answer is pectin. Now the question number 101, process of adding back a nutrient to make up the loss during processing is called, the right answer is restoration. Question number 102, wheat flour that is aged naturally or by chemical agent to improve baking properties of dough known as bleached flour. Question number 103, the name given to a proposed new regulatory category of food component that may be considered a food or a part of food and may supply medical or health benefit including the treatment or prevention of disease. It is nutraceuticals. Question number 104. Pressure exerted by water filled vacuoles on the cytoplasm and partially elastic cell wall is called. It is Turger pressure. Question number 105. Movement of solute across a permeable membrane from an area of greater concentration to lesser concentration in heated product that do not have an intact cell membrane is called. The right answer is diffusion. Question number 106. Changes in conformation of protein caused by changes in temperature, pH or tonic strength or by surface changes is called. It is denaturation. Question number 107. Characteristic of the molecule that enables it to perform a specific role in a food is known as. The right answer is functional property. Question number 108. Which of the following contain a positively charged group and a negatively charged group within the molecule? The right answer is Zwitter ion. Question number 109. Postmortem state 6 to 24 hours after slaughter in which muscle stiffens and become less extensible and there is a loss of ATP is called rigor mortis is the right answer. Question number 110. Material that allow two ordinarily immiscible substances to mix is called. The right answer is emulsifiers. Question number 111. Heating of food material for a specific time that eliminates pathogens is called. The right answer is pasteurization. Question number 112. The increase in volume of ice cream over the volume of ice cream mix is due to the right answer is incorporation of fat. Question number 113. The sweetened condensed milk contains sugar. The right answer is 40 to 45%. Question number 114. A lipid containing two fatty acid and a phosphoric acid group is esterified to glycerol and chlorine as the N group is called. The right answer is lecithin. Question number 115. A compound that prevent delayed or minimize the rancidity of oil by donating a H atom to the double bond in a fatty acid is known as. The right answer is antioxidant. Question number 116. The process of formation of equal amount of glucose and fructose from sucrose by acid and heat or enzyme is called. The right answer is inversion. Question number 117. The process of mixing dough into a uniform mass by folding, pressing and stretching is called. The right answer is kneading. Question number 118. Mild heat treatment that inactivate enzyme that would cause deterioration of food during frozen storage is known as. The right answer is blanching. Question number 119. A method in which continuous electrical current is passed through food to heat it rapidly and maintaining quality is called. The right answer is ohmic heating. Question number 120. A method for addition of nutrients in a food to achieve established concentration as specified by the standard of identity. The right answer is enrichment. Thank you very much.